All right, so we'll be talking about entering data and format cells and table. So what I would like you to do first is, okay, we've already talked about ribbons where we have the home, the insert, we have the draw, we have the page layouts, we have the form for formulas, data, and so on and so forth. So let's dive in. Okay, now so this first cell, you are going to put S and SM means serial number. The next one is name, phone number, then you can give this a space, just like this. The next one is department. The next one is profession. The next one is level. Next one is bank and head. Okay, so serial number, then you can put your one here, you come down, you put your two. So like we said before, you just copy it like this, then you come to this green line, then you drag it down. You can drag it down to like 30. Can you see? Can you see that we have serial number? Okay, let's do it to 30. Alright, name. So let's now give you a name. Shola Tosin Bola Toyosi Toyosi Gbenga Paul Seun Benson Dele Shola. Okay, so what you're going to do is, like we said earlier, you're going to just drag it down like this. Then you do what? You come to this small green box and you drag it down to 30. Can you see? Alright. So now I shouldn't waste time. So let's go to phone number. Phone number 080. So immediately you take it down here, it will see that it will remove the zero, right? So you do another one again. 082. You put it down here again. Can you see? It's it go back to it removes the zero. So what you're going to do is just copy this. You can you see general here, you go to text. So after going to text, can you see it's going to go back to the number, it's going to go back to the right. Then so you can put your zero now. You can put your zero now. So what do you notice? You notice a green error here. So what you're going to do is just for you to just copy these two. You can just drag it down to 30, like we have. So what you're going to do now is to remove this green line, that the ignore. Just press it. Okay, we'll take it like this. Can you see the ignore by the left? So you go to what? Ignore errors. So it will ignore just one. But if you want to ignore everything, you highlight everything like this. Then you can just pick one. You understand? You can just pick one and ignore one. Can you see? Okay. So you can just ignore. So after you ignore, then you can as well take this down again. So it's going to replace the ignore. Can you see? So everything is perfect. Okay, let's do it one more time. The ignore is there, so you remove this ignore. Good. Okay, I think we still have some. So just take it to this place and remove the ignore. Alright, so department now. So now let's write our department. Let's say sales, HR, finance, finance, accounting, um, just do security. Okay, so you do the same thing, right? You drag it down. It's very simple. Good. So profession will be what? Let's say MSc, BTech, PhD, PSc. Um, okay, so we'll take this down too as well. Good. So same. So level one, level two, level three. So let's just take it down. So so it's just same process, same procedure. Understand? So bank, access, GTB, OP, FCMB. So now let's take it down. Okay. So edge, just saying Leonard Calvin. Alright, good. So we just take this down as well. So good. So now let's just this is our head, right? So let's just give it a color. So we can just give it say, let's give it any color. But the color you have to use has to match very well. You understand? So let's give it this color. Then you make your font. This is your font here. Can you see this A to be white? Good. Then you can increase the size. But anytime you want to increase the size, just highlight the head again, and you can increase the font. Can you see? This one is too big. Alright. So let's just increase to like 16. Can you see? So this is okay. So now let's highlight this place just for you to give the color to the remaining data. Can you see? So we can give this color, say let's pick a very good color. Okay, we can give it this color. And just good. So then we can now highlight everything because you want to give it a border line. Okay. So use a border line. All borders. Can you see? Good. So now you want to give it a title. So you go to this one, you press it like that, you right click, you go to insert. So it's going to give you a line here. Can you see this white line? Alright. So what you're going to do now is to mark the center. So I like this white area. Then you go to your, can you see my arrow? You go to merge and center. You click on it. Now you give this a name. Say employee data. So now you want to give this a color, and just let's give it a color. Let's give it a color. Okay, let's give it this. So this one, let's give this one a different color so that everything will align well. Good. So this now we can now change the font to white. Can you see? Then we increase the size. We can make it bold. Put bold. Also here you make this bold as well. So now we have our data. Thank you very much.